Agatin missing chitab Collins natinye kamangunet nele kiboibochi betung'ung nebo Jumamos nebo tarik 21 arawetab 6 kenyitab 2025 itagat missing kekushin gong kong'eten mesetab logoiwek nebo Cans TV keker kele tos ne nekamuch kotestai eng betutab raini. Itagat missing kiwerenon Caroline Kiplagat. Kaititab President William Ruto County nebo Meru eng tuyetab 10 nebo kabatik chebo tuga chebo chego nenaat ko Annual Dairy Farmers Field Day. Kotokchinigei tuyonoto chengetab ortinwek chekiboisien kekanapta kabotisyonoto missing ko nyorunetab amitwogikab kiagik asikwo barak sekta nebo chego en emet. Kamwa Ruto kole imuchi en inguni kabotik koibu amitwogik chebo kiagik kobun emotinwekab sang ama eng lipanetab aisurut agetugul. Kabotogei inendet Minister nebo Kabatisiet Mutahi Kagwe, Minister nebo Cooperatives Wycliffe Oparanya, MP Senators, Governors ak kandoik alak.
Bali na msaada ambao tunatoa kama serikali kwenu, pia tumeamua kama serikali ya kwamba tutawaruhusu kampuni kama Meru Dairy waagize yellow maize ile ambayo inatoshana na kuzalisha mambo ya chakula kutoka sehemu yote ikiwemo nje bila ya kulipa ushuru yeyote. So my friends, mujipange kwa sababu sauti ya wakulima inasema tukipunguza gharama ya chakula, hao wakulima wataweka pesa zaidi katika mifugo yao. Kweli ama si kweli? Jambo la pili ambayo nimesikia kutoka kwa wakulima. Wakulima wamenieleza ya kwamba kuna matatizo ya magonjwa ya ng'ombe. Mastitis, foot and mouth disease, na lumpy skin. Mimi nataka niwaambie PS wangu wa mambo ya livestock yuko hapa. Tayari kama serikali tumefanya mpango mzuri, na kuanzia wiki ijayo waziri wetu wa kilimo na PS wake wataanzisha program ya kitaifa ya vaccination ya ng'ombe, na mimi nawaeleza waanze na hapa Meru, ndio tuwapunguzie mambo ya magonjwa, kwa sababu ng'ombe akiwa mgonjwa anapunguza maziwa, inakuwa ni gharama kwa mkulima na inaturudisha nyuma.
Mimi nakushukuru kwa sababu from 2023, 2024 and this year wewe umekuwa na sisi hapa. We don't take it for granted kwa sababu Kenya ni kubwa na mahitaji ni mengi, and every part of Kenya requires you, every sector. Thank you for making time for us, and thank you for the things that you had promised Meru Central Cooperative Union last year. The 100 million imetendeka, and the CEO has confirmed that we are just about to get phase 1 ready by December.
Kazi ya serikali ambao Mheshimiwa Rais anaongoza inafanyika sawa sawa. Tumeona ya kwamba kuna maneno ambayo ya maziwa, maneno ya elimu, maneno ya maji, maneno ya afya, maneno mingi ambao Mheshimiwa Rais na serikali yake anaendelea kufanyia wananchi wa Kenya. Sisi kama mawaziri ni kuhakikisha yale ambao ametuamrisha tunaifanya, tunajituma kuhakikisha maneno yote inaendelea vizuri. Tunashukuru sana naibu wa rais pamoja na rais. Thank you so much.
Eng tetutik chebo kekanapta kamangunetab amitwogik cheyeme emet kotesetai ministry nebo somanet kokimiti somanet anan courses chebo kabatisiet eng sugulisiek chebo TVETs eng emoni. Tesentai sugulit nelel nebo Cheptebo Agricultural Training ak Innovative Center in County nebo Elgeyo Marakwet courses chuton cheterter chebo kabatisiet.
Hapa vile vile tuko na partners wengine.
We are very excited because what is happening in this institution today and what has been happening from the time it was born in 1986 has just been supporting and promoting what the government is doing in equipping our people with skills and competences for agriculture. And you know, our economy is founded in agriculture. With the food, when you have food as a nation, you almost have everything. The only other thing you need is peace when you have food. So this institution has actually been playing a very, very important role in building the capacities of our community in agricultural practices. And now it has gone further by taking up the TVET courses that are long-term courses which are competency-based and even modularized.
Tumechoose agriculture because watu wetu wakikula vizuri, tukiwa stable kwa mambo ya chakula, our nation will grow. Tutapata watu ambao ni strong, watafanya kazi office kwa sababu wamekula. So that is why we chose agriculture. And agriculture, someone can go and employ himself. You can go and employ rather than waiting for someone. Baada ya kumaliza, hata leo kuna watu wameoffer jobs ya farm managers kutoka hapa Cheptibo. Immediately wana graduate, wanapata kuwa farm manager in someone's land na anaanza salary. So hii ni kazi ambaye ni self employed.
Nimekuja hapa Cheptibo Training and Innovation, nafanya course ya agricultural extension. Tangu mimi nikuje from May, nimelearn vitu mingi sana about agriculture. Sasa naweza fanya vitu ya shamba vizuri sana. About mambo ya mulching, naweza fanya terracing, yote tushafunza vitu mingi sana. Huko kwa shamba wanaweza funzwa about dairy farming, kuna mambo ya shamba, about mangoes, kuna crafting. Hata mimi nimelearn about crafting na haiko kwa course yetu. Ni hapa iko nje, but nimelearn about crafting. Sasa naweza fanya crafting nyumbani, naweza funza mtu fulani wanafanya ukulima.
Kwa hii shule nimekuja kuchukua course ya dairy farm management. Na kwa dairy farm management tumeweza kufunzwa mambo mengi. Nikimaliza masomo yangu naenda encourage wakulima wenzangu, wakulima huko nyumbani waweze kufanya mambo na dairy. Even me in future maybe nitakuwa na farm yangu juu nimeona umuhimu wake.
Eng logoiwek alak ko kaitita Minister nebo Tilyandit Emotinwekab Sang ne ine kora ko Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi igorta nebo Ministerial Wellness Day ne kayum kiboitinik chebo ministry ninyi ne kakiyai en kiwanjet nebo Ulinzi Complex eng taonitab Nairobi. Kakonu boroindo noton anan kakonu igorata boroindo ne inegei nebo kotoben oleu tesetab tai nebo boisionikab ministry noton agora kokochi boroindo kiboitinik choto koureren asikokanapta chametabgei nebo borto.
Coming back home, let me take this opportunity to thank you all because with your help, with your participation, we have been able to have the sessional paper number 1 of 2025 on the foreign policy of the Republic of Kenya published, gazetted, and it is now available. It's about your foreign policy, our foreign policy, Kenya's foreign policy, which historically, through you, we have for the first time made sure that it has not only been endorsed by the executive, but it has gone further to be endorsed by the legislature. That's a very significant step because we can no longer operate as if foreign policy is a preserve of a few. It is now in the public domain. You can engage freely, you can talk to people freely. As you sit here, some people may not know that there's stress for some of you here and for us and for our brothers and sisters who are away. At this point in time, we look at the situation in the Middle East, Iran, Israel, and we worry because we not only have our staff there, but we also have other Kenyans who are in those destinations doing other things, and you just pray that those missiles don't land anywhere near them. Every other day you wake up, you're wondering what's happening. For me, every other day I'm trying to send a message to our ambassadors to find out, are you okay? This is the kind of life that sometimes comes with this assignment. So as we meditate here and stretch our limbs, let us also put our brothers and sisters in prayer so that hopefully, through God's grace, they emerge unscathed from the challenges that are emanating, that are currently at play in those countries.
In the demanding field of diplomacy, prioritizing our well-being is not a luxury. It is essential. Today's activities have reminded us that when we take care of ourselves, we perform better and serve our country with greater strength and clarity. I encourage all of us to carry forward the tools and insights from today, whether it's managing stress, building resilience, or fostering stronger team spirit. Let's embed wellness into our culture and support one another as a community grounded in empathy, compassion, and excellence.
For me, this is the second time I am having an opportunity to have a day out with the people who make things work in the Ministry of Foreign and Diaspora Affairs. It is always a great honor to stand and recognize the people who may not be on the front line every day, but who are doing a lot of important things, a lot of good work for this country. So I say kudos to you all, and I thank you for your efforts and for your service and your dedication.
Ngebe nguni koi county nebo Kericho lebo kamanut en kwonyik en county noton kokonyitkei akonyoru naet akobo sobet nebo gaa ak ripsetab familia asikotoret eng tesetab tai nebo familia ak missing kobitu kalyet en kasarwek tugul. Kabit nito eng tuyet nekaituyo kwonyik chesire 1,000 nekakiyai en Kipkelion kondochine nominated MCA en county noton bo Kericho Dora Keino. Robert Siele kotinye report en koindo.
Kong'alalen tuyet nekatet asikocher akonet chepyosok kobun Kipkelion en county nebo Kericho en kanisetab AIC Tulwet en Chepseon akobo sobetab kakomwa nominated MCA en county nebo Kericho Dora Keino kole chepyosok ko toloiwek chemokyingei chametabgei en kasarwek tugul.
Sikomuch chepyosok koyai kasit nekararan en gaa akobur ak boisiekchwak komie akorib lookwak komie akocheng school fees koyai namnai kot koik kiy en chepyosok. Uon chepyosok ine ko chekanam the society. Yon mami mama gaa kabisa koui kasit oten look ak kila mtu. Oten boyot mwenyewe yon mami chepyoset kosokite boyondonoto ot yan kakisergei chepyosok ak boisiek ko ngwo chepyoset kabisa ikose boyot kole mosich peace.
Kosubkei ak Dora Keino kotie agenda bill nemiten en county assembly nebo Kericho ko oretab kikimit ak kanapta chepyosok en county nebo Kericho.
There is agenda bill nekipitishoni en bunge nebo Kericho County Assembly ko among'u ale yekiimplementen ko katoret chepyosok en tuguk chetinye ng'alekab chepyosok ot in financial issues elekiriptoi makubosiekab chepyosok. Among'u ale that bill komuche kotoret chepyosok en ng'alek chechang.
Kaboisien boroinoton Keino kocher chepyosok koipchi kamanut en kasarwek tugul tuiyosiek cheu choton. Ng'alalet nekarob eun nominated MCA en county noton Monica Kekwai nekamwa kole kiboisien tuiyosiek cheu choton keborien yautik chebo kanyaliletab biik nenaat kou GBV.
Akamoche alenji next time komat kokosan tuyet neu nekakechop kabisa kanyo ana guest speaker ne mi komie kabisa ne ngolole komie komat kokosan next time.
Akomwochi kongoi Mheshimiwa Dora for this initiative ke empoweren chepyosok nebo maana sana ko keat kabwatutikchwak. En betusiekchwak ko kokochanga ngalekab GBV, that is gender based violence. Kingebendoti kesungukonoti keoti sensitization, that is on November last year. Ko kikigunduan kele mako chepyosok icheken chekebire, boto boisiek ak ichek.
En tuyonoton ko ng'ololindet neo ko amdoindet ne naat missing en ng'alalutikab konetisiet ak roriot Selina Chelimo Wekesa komwa chepyosok kole kanyor konetisiet nekomokyingei icheket. Tienindet Rose Mitei, Joyce Chebo Chebwareng ak Patiem Sarah Kilel ko alak en chepyosok cheaitita tuyonoton.
Kure Dora Foundation ko kakituye chepyosok en betutab raini asikechergei chepyosok ak kikimitkei chepyosok. Kale wamama ni lazima tujitume.
Ko kakinetkei tuguk chechang. Kakonetech Selina Chelimo nekechome kabisa akobo kechamgei koi kwondo matisaskei, ikilgei irib kong'ung ak ikilgei en boisionik matisaskei. Ikilgei kabisa ngamun echek chekemuche kewal emet.
Kamakoya tuyet kokiim kabisa ako kararan ako kirorie kabisa. Lagok chemengech takinet en konetisietab sikunet baba. Ale kesik kararan. Ot ane kinasiku ak aborobot ami ngunon kwakatieni. Aya, ako luget nekitokoyoiwon en konyu makomi. Kikotekis konyu.
Kanyor kelchin chepyosok kobun Dora Foundation nebo avocado chekikole ak ketik chekikole asikonaptaengei icheket.
Kikimite chepyosok kora en Mokubet kitinye avocados chekimoche kikoin chepyosok, kitinye kora indigenous trees, kimoche kora kesensitizen chepyosok en ngalekab environmental conservations. So ketinye trees, kitinye kora tugun chechang chekikoini chepyosok ra. Baka sukariat, baka ne tugun chebo koriben lagok chepyosok. Ngamun kakokonech nafas konyo kotoboten yu komakimoe kewek kabuch.
Kong'eten county nebo Kericho, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyu ko Robert Siele.
Kong'eten Kericho ngebe county nebo Bomet ole tesetai bororietab Ogiek kosome serikali kokochi ichek mbaret neyeme ole kamwa Ogiek anan bororiet noton bo Ogiek en county nebo Bomet kole bune kewelinwek chechang kong'ete kimanda ichek eng timdo. Kamwa kole kikoib kasarta negoi serikali kosuldae ng'atutikab kapkirwok neking'at serikali kechengchi ichek meng'otosiek chelelach ako noto konyolu eng serikali kokas it ak kosuldochi ichek magutik koch. Nyorun Sirinya Festus Rono ak report en koindo kong'eten Bomet.
Kondochin nebo kecheret en Kenya Indigenous Forest Community Association KIFCAN CFA Joseph Kibrono Koech komwa ichek kole kikobun bororionoton bo Ogiek kewelutik chechang kosubkei ak nemotinye meng'otet ak missing ko nemoche serikali kokochi chomchinet biik alak konam mbarenik chemiten en meng'otenywan.
Kitinye koimutiet neo kabisa ko ki bororiotab Ogiek nekikeus ak ketaban en kenyisiek chechang. Kamoche amwa raini en mbeleitab tuyoni ale raini ko kokiesye kit netokeyochin Ogiek lelutiet nemomiten kit nekemwoe kele kotok kokiyai. Kikitam en ortinwek chechang. Ngele katar osnet ko kikoito Kenya Forest imbarenik kokaseteni ak kokoito mokoito okiot. Kinyokebwa number 2. Bichu keone kebele ak keketen tukwak ako tom kewekyi amatinye teni. Akoi raini koseteni imbarenik kwak kikoito.
Makiyan wayat nekakile moe keng'ot osnet komakinai chebo osnonoton ala meng'ik chenekityin ak osnonoton. Nyolu kinaisi asikeyai tugul tuyet ak biik che concern asikobit kenai amune. Manyolu kenyokeyai tuguk kityo kiolela komakingen. Ak kelele kokiyonjin ak ng'o.
Kamwa ichek kole bendi kapkirwok angot kokoito serikali meng'otenywan.
Wendi kora nito Kiptui Potok ak tilet nekitil kotini nebo Kericho Environment and Land Court en tarikit 27 July 2017 akole kewekyi Ogiek emenywan. Kotebe any ole ngot ko katil kotini ko kalyan entities chebo Kenya cheu Kenya Forest Service, Rhino Act, ak alak chechang che tupchok choniton sima honor good orders. Amune sikongelel, yet it is the government of the day. So menyon ak saenyon ko matatakitugtechi patayokiyot.
Kangololi ichek en taonitab Bomet ole kates komwa ichek kole tinye chomchinet nebo konyor meng'otet kou biik alak.
Mokto katiba en Article 67(2)(e) kesirchi National Land Commission as akin kokakomong in an act nebo NLC kibore section 6 ak 15 kemwa kele kikiyan rirekab okiek kondochin the former commissioner Dr. Samuel Dorore kikakiyumchi Narok. So kote fatik nekimokimwa kele kewekyi okiek emenywan. Akityo kerekomenden kele kisib kora kwa Kenya Government of Kenya Tax Force ne kikonu Arusha based for implementation nebo judgment any nekikomong en Arusha kele kewekyi okiek emenywan. As ak baada ya hiyo kebe kotini. Ketilen kotini nebo Kericho ELC petition 5 of 2017 kele kewekyi okiek emenywan specifically chebo West ak South West Mau Forest. Yoto
kokiesyo ng'olyon nekimwoe kele moche kinde wayat. Kimokinde wayat from 1931 kondoe Jumbe. 1941 kebire transfer en bororienyon koba Chebalungu. Kebire transfer bororietab Talai koba Kwasi. Kwachicha. Kokiesyo kimoche gaa, kiweksei gaa. Ngot komukoksei kebol injirenik konyokomeny moingonik keita bororietab okiek. Ngot komukoksei kicher sekemik en moingonik ak kinde beek orit kosopchi ak lagokwak. Kindeech ak echek ele manyolu.
Kong'eten county nebo Bomet logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyun ko Festus Rono.
En county nebo Narok kotesetai konyoru asenet neo chemung'arainik chebo komosta nebo Sonoek en komosta nebo Masai Mara Sekenani kosubkei ak stimet nebete en atkai tugul ole moche ichek keisto koimutyonoto eng chokchinet asimatestai konyoru asenet. Mwoe chemung'arainik choto kole kikotestai koimutyonoto nebo betetab stimet en kasarta nekoi ak kounoto konyolu kobitu walutiet nebo chokchinet asikotestai ichek ak mung'arosiekwak en saisiek 24 mising ko en kasari tesetai kowendi barak koitetab kiprutoinik cherutechini mbuget nebo Masai Mara. Nicholas Rono ak report kong'eten Narok.
Kakobor kaimetabkei chemung'arainik chesuldoen aldaetab sonoek ak ichek cheyoe mung'aret nebo aldaetab tuguk cheterter en komosta nebo Sekenani en Masai Mara kosubkei ak nekole kimnotetab stimet nebete en kasarta nekoi ole noton ko chemung'arenywan.
A chemung'araindet en upande nebo Masai Mara Sekenani oo kibune challenges cheuen nia, makitinye stimet oo mamiten chi nekokotyem kotoretech en komosoton. Nyoru wechokse tuguk, makitindoi security, imuch kobirgei biik bare iwe iboikeren kamera komamiten, so kiseretosi. Ngoit kelipan not kele kakilipanen tana wafanyikazi kometindoi chito rabinik chetot ilipanen ngamun miten yani mami kasit en nguni, so kisome kotoretech kaikai.
Kosubkei ak chemung'arainik cheoldoishe en Sekenani Gate en Masai Mara ko kokowechok boisionikwak en nekole kimnotetab stimet nebete en kasarta nekoi ak kounoton ko kokowechok mung'arenywan akot en kasari wendi barak koitet nebo kiprutoinik cherutechin mbuget nebo kaptiong'in nebo Masai Mara. Mulangoit nebo Sekenani nekichute keba kaptiong'in nebo Masai Mara ko agenge en komosta nenaat en Narok ole boisien kiprutoinik chechang kobendi mbuganoton bo Mara.
Hakuna stima. Ukiakisha hiyo generator unapata hiyo mafuta inaisha na mahali ya kupata si karibu sana. Na saa ingine inaishanga kwa hii senda, kuna town kubwa unaweza sema utapata hiyo mafuta haraka. So hiyo ni challenge nyingine kubwa nayo tuko nayo kwa hii senda. Kwa biashara yetu hatutakuwa na customers wa usiku na sisi tunakuwa watu wa kuuza usiku. Unapata usiku sasa kila mtu ameenda juu polisi iko. Huwezi pata wale customer wenye unatarajia. CCTV pia kamera zetu zinapotea, hautajua ni nini inaendelea kulingana na hakuna stima na hiyo generator haifanyi kila mahali, kwa hiyo CCTV kuna mahali inafika na kuna mahali itafika. In fact kama jana stima imepotea kuanzia saa 1 hadi asubuhi, ilirudi saa 5.
Tunaweza kata siku 2-3 bila stima. Saa zingine customer anakuja na kutaka kukulipa na M-Pesa, unapata simu imezima, Sasa ina customer mwingine ni wa mbali, so kuconfirm hiyo pesa kama imeingia kwa simu yako inakuwa ni shida. Sana sana hapa hatuna hata hiyo stima kwa muda mrefu, so wengine tunanunua hizi tochi za kuchaji, na pale hiyo tochi lazima ukifika kwa nyumba hakuna.
En kenyit konye kokiimuch serikali koyum aisurut neite bilion 4 akot ngandan kikites aisurut nebo hotelishek cheisuldoen mung'aret en orit nebo mbuganoton. En logoiwekab emet chebo Kass International kong'eten Sekenani en Masai Mara nemiten en county nebo Narok, kainenyun ko Nicholas Rono.
Kong'eten kiwanjosiek kotestai ak form neinegei en kabelisosiek chebo Diamond League, labatindet nebo emetab Kenya Faith Cherotich kokosir kabelisenyin nebo somok eng sakit niton nebo Diamond League. Kokosir kabeliset kemboutab omut eng labatet nebo 3000 meter steeplechase en kabeliset nebo Paris Diamond League en emet nebo Ufaransa. Kosir kabeliset koboisie kasartab dakikosiek 8 sekundeshek 53.37 konoton ko kasarta neindoi en ing'ony anan world lead agora kasarta nenyi nemie anan personal best. Labatindet Peruth Chemutai kobun emetab Uganda kokonam boroindo nebo oeng.
Form athlete. Chemutai has gone. Is it decisive? Final water jump. They come together. Now then, battling shoulder to shoulder, side by side, coming in. Has Cherotich found another gear? Is there a response? Yes, there is so far. Final barrier, one to come. Keep an eye on the clock. Wow, it's going to be quick, and Cherotich has done it again. It's going to be 3 from 3 for the Kenyan. Let's keep an eye on the clock. 8:53.38. Wow! What a performance. She has smashed the world lead.
Of course, I'm very happy. Today I ran my PB. I'm so happy. The race was not easy. As when we were starting, I feel like the base was high, and I was like, today I can run my PB. Then you say Beru was in front, then I say, I must follow her. Then I was seeing that. Then after some laps, then I come in front, and I was like, I can manage this and I can win here.
Kitokchini yoto chitab Kolenzi logoiwek chebo emet akobun kiwanjosiek chekaitun kembouni kong'eten studio nebo Kass TV. Kiurenon Caroline Kiplagat, amagun kiy age tugul nekararan testai ger Kass TV kimnatet night.